restore power in some states, among them Mississippi and Tennessee, where hundreds of National Guard troops have now been mobilized to help. Rob Marciano is following all of it from New York, where the city is dealing with massive piles of snow, which it is now trying to melt, apparently. Rob, good evening.
Hey, good evening, Tony. Oh, yeah, they're melting it. They're doing it with these giant hot tubs across the city. So far, they've melted over 25 million pounds of snow. I mean, they're not getting any help from Mother Nature with these temperatures. She's not melting it. And in cities like this, I mean, you can plow all you want, but at some point, there's no place to put it. It's a battle around towering mounds of snow. In Boston, simply crossing the street is no longer simple.
Oh, we backtrack. If there is not enough room, we backtrack and we find another route.
A week of sub-freezing temperatures across the east have left snow clinging to sidewalks and roads, leaving cars spinning and sliding. From road crews to residents, just about everyone is cleaning, clearing, and coping with the snow. But in New York City, still buried under a crippling maze of hard-packed snow, the sanitation department is using 10 snow jacuzzis to melt it for the first time in nearly 5 years.
2 weeks straight of sub-freezing temperatures, that means that snow's not going anywhere.
They can melt up to 240,000 pounds of snow an hour.
You've got the fire hydrant here, we've got water going in there that heats up, that's the sauna.
Exactly. Every time one of these front-end loaders comes over, it's about 1,000 pounds of snow. It's dumping in, mixes with just regular room temperature tap water, and melts it at 38 degrees, puts it down into an approved sewer line where it can go through the water treatment system.
Parts of the South still in full recovery mode. Crews there racing to restore power in Oxford, Mississippi, while FEMA delivered generators throughout the state. Our own Katie Weiss is in Ripley.
It's been tough. I mean, no water has been tough. But we've helped people. We've been working on roads. We've been opening roads and just trying to do what we can do.
All that clearing in time for potentially more snow this weekend.
This next storm is definitely different, but it's bringing even more cold, so they're going to have these melters going 24/7 likely for the next week. All right, let's talk about that next system and the cold, which is going to be widespread. We got all these cold weather alerts and cold weather warnings all the way down to Florida, 20, 30, in some cases 40 degrees below average. Miami, you'll see the coldest air you've seen since 2010 come Sunday. But the winter storm warnings are already up for eastern Tennessee and parts of Virginia and the Carolinas. That will be expanded during the day tomorrow. Wind gusts up to 50, 65 miles per hour. Strong upper level energy is going to kind of trigger a coastal low. Good old-fashioned nor'easter, and that radar will fill in during the day tomorrow. Blizzard conditions potentially along the Outer Banks, and then missing New York and much of the big cities, including Boston. But it looks like eastern Mass will get clipped with this as well. As far as how much snow we expect to see, 6 to 12 inches in spots across North Carolina and Virginia. That's certainly possible. Maybe more in some spots, and 2 to 6 potentially across parts of eastern Massachusetts. But regardless of how much snow you get, the cold is going to be with us. It will be brutally cold, relatively speaking, right through the weekend, and in some cases right through next week. Spring, Tony, certainly feels a long way off.
It sure does, Rob. Thank you very much. To Minnesota again tonight, where President Trump's promise of mass deportations had turned into